Today, I am taking you on a road trip from Sabronum to Ahwerewam after a fun tour with my sister where we saw the lively trade and colorful products. I felt like exploring more, so I decided to show you the beautiful places in Sabronum and Ahwerewam. If you are new here, please remember to subscribe to the channel and join me as I share more amazing trips around Ghana. Let's get started on this journey. As we drive, you will notice the peaceful surroundings. The sky is clear, the air is fresh, and is the perfect weather for a road trip. The road is surrounded by green trees and plants, and everything felt so calm and beautiful. This area is full of nature and beauty, and is very relaxing. It's not just a road we are on, it's a path through the lives of the hardworking people here. Let me tell you more about Sabronum. Farming is the main job here. Almost everyone you see along the road, whether they are carrying baskets, riding bicycles, or driving motorcycles, they are all farmers. Farming here isn't just a job, it's a way of life. This is how they support their families, generation after generation. The people of Sabronum work very hard, growing many kinds of food crops. These crops are very important to the local economy and to Ghana. The variety of crops grown here is amazing. Sabronum is known for its rich, fertile soil which allow farmers to grow many types of crops. Cocoa is a very big crop here, and Ghana is well known for cocoa. But they also grow other foods like plantain, yam, cucumber, green beans, banana, and so much more. Each crop has its own season, and the farmers know exactly how to work with the lands to get the best crops. As we pass by, you can see the farmers returning from their fields. Some of them are carrying goods on their heads, others are riding motorbikes with baskets filled with crops. These farmers have probably spent many hours in the field, working hard to grow food for their families and for market. The people here live by their dedication to farming and to their community. It's inspiring to see their effort up close. Farming is more than just a job here. It's a big part of the community life and identity. It's what brings people together and gives them pride. During harvest season, farmers gather to celebrate their work and prepare for the next cycle. There is a strong connection between the land and the people, which reminds me of a strength and unity that rural community brings to our world. We are lucky to have great weather here for farming. The soil is rich, and the weather allows farming all around here. This makes it possible for people here to grow a lot of food, not only for themselves but also for people across Ghana. Every farm we pass shows the potential of this land and how much it proves. This journey makes me feel both grateful and proud. Growing up in Kumasi, I always respected our farmers, but seeing their lives up close like this gives me even more appreciation. If you're enjoying this journey, please support my channel by liking this video, subscribing and leaving a comment below. Have you ever visited a farming community? Let me know if you would like to see more videos like this. Your support means a lot to me and helps me continue sharing the stories of these amazing communities. As we near the end of this journey, I want to say a big thank you for joining me. I hope this video gave you a little look into the hard-working spirit of the people of Sabronum and Ahwerewam. There is so much beauty and strength here, and it's an honor to share it with you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more adventure. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. See you in the next video. Bye.